If you have been asking yourself how to make money from learning English, you have come to the right place.
No matter what your main objective with the language is, I'll tell you exactly how to make money from learning English.
One option is becoming a teacher.
I believe that knowledge is something we should always share. So, when you learn how to use the language, the most obvious next step is to share that knowledge with other learners.
Follow these steps to become a teacher.
1.
Become confident with the language.
Obviously, you need to trust your skills so you can share your knowledge properly.
2. Find a place where to promote yourself. There are different places online that could help you get started.
The important thing is to show your strengths and how you can really help.
3. Create your own teaching gig.
For example, you can go on Fiverr and see how others are offering their teaching services to get ideas for creating your gig.
4. Promote your gig. You can use your family, social networks, and after you start making some money, you can take it to the next level and create your own website.
Another option to make money from learning English is freelance writing. Copywriting has grown massively. Do you know why? This is because the need for content marketing became critical for any and every single company. One more option is learning how to invest. While there are very good resources in other languages, it is my opinion that the best sources of information and knowledge are in English. And having the right information and knowledge play an essential role for any average investor. So, by investing and learning English, you could learn how to invest in the stock market wisely and make money. It is clear that there are many more things you can do to make money from learning English and using your skills. It will always depend what other skills you have to combine with the language in order to become successful. Thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and activate the bell to get notified when new videos become available.